the neighborhood in the dark. But let's go take a look at what we got going on here. Um, Let me show you because it's just pretty interesting. I mean, as you know, like we have a battery storage system, right? So we save our energy and we have power, but the rest of the neighborhood does not. I put a sign up like on the on a tree out there, but nobody called me. And now, take a look. There's usually there are usually lights out here, but there is absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's pitch black. Um, but then here we are. And so this is the good thing about solar and a battery. I gotta be honest with you. I'm going to turn off some of these things, these lights, and unplug some things because I'm not sure how long this outage is gonna be. The storm is just getting here, and it's not looking good for the neighbors. And I don't want to see anybody in distress, food go bad, or anything like that. But I tell you, whether you can afford it, I get it. If you can't afford a solar system, fine. But the signs that I put out are for like DIY, do it yourself kits, where an inverter, a grid tie inverter, is with feedback, where so that it's able to push back onto the grid um, through us. Right now is $1,300. Um, it's like 1326 or something like that. And if you consider the fact that you can pay your electric bill, um, your electric bill might cost $300, $200. Let's say it's even $100 a month. Do you think that's worth it? To have a one-time thing that you can pay off in 13 months? Um, and you can start from there. You don't need a battery to turn on your inverter like our test system that we shown you all this week, last week, last month, all this year. You don't need a battery with that inverter. Um, I'll put a link in the description. Um, I don't have any moderators yet, so I can't be like, hey, uh, some moderator, Pookie, can you drop the link in the chat? I can't do that. I don't have anyone. But let me see if I can do that for you guys. You're gonna have to bear with me because I'm going to. I'm gonna have to. Let's see if I can do this. It might not let me. Share, but share what? Hmm. Hmm. I'm not sure if I can do this, but I will. Can. I'm still here.